Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, June 28th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, it's not actually Friday, it's Sunday. I took off early on Friday and said when I got back from my mini vacation, I would do the video on Sunday afternoon, which is what I'm doing right now. I was around uh, stocks in the markets for the first 90 minutes or so, and then I put it all on automation and took off. Anyway, it was an interesting day, actually. We managed to have two modestly good days, the last 2 days of June, and so we have finished up the month of June with $28,000 in profits. That's not great, but it could have been a lot worse, and so I'm just going to take the money and run. I will have a new portfolio tomorrow on Monday, and I look forward to trading that. And if you're a customer of mine, you should get a email from me tonight with the new portfolio and a few other goodies. Okay, the Dow on Friday was, I mean, it's just typical Friday stuff. It opened up and then it went down and then we actually made I think almost a higher high there. I'm not sure. Maybe it just tested the highs and then it reversed again and went down negative again, and then the last 15 minutes it just exploded to the upside. Dow officially ends up 73 points. So it was a pretty crazy day, but we did fairly well. First of all, we closed out the three positions that we had. We closed those out with $3,000 in profit, and we got into four new positions, three positive, one negative, and we're carrying uh, over $4,600 in open trade equity going into tomorrow on Monday. All right, so not a bad day at all, although we're not doing a whole lot of trading. Let me show you, I want to show you two things that happened in case you're really new to this game. Um, this first chart is showing JNUG, which is a gold mine bull. This is a very good stock for us, but it looks, when you first look at it, it looks like JNUG does this gargantuan leap in gold. Something like that might happen if we had a nuclear war, uh, but this isn't what happened. This is a 5-to-1 reverse split. If you've been trading very long, you get used to seeing these from time to time, and you can recognize them immediately. I have no way of programming this into the system. When this happens, I do not take the trade. If you're trading automation, I don't know. It's pretty unlikely that automation's going to put you in this trade because the amount that you are trying to buy with automation is going to be 5 times what you should be buying, and you're probably not going to have the money, so the broker isn't going to put the order in. But this is one problem I have with automation. There's sometimes you just have to use your brain a little, and your brain says, hey, 5-to-1 splits, I do not trade. You just stand by. We can start trading them tomorrow. But this trade is based on taking the range from this day down here and applying it to up here where it is after 5-to-1 split. It just won't work. And we had the same thing in DRIP, which is the oil and gas bear. So that was a non-trade also. Now you see a 5-to-1 reverse split, you just stand aside. You don't try and trade it until the following day. Okay. We had a couple modestly good trades. This first one I'm showing you is in NovoCure, which is NVCR. We had bought this on Thursday, second hour or so, and it popped up there pretty nicely. For our exit, we made $3,400 in NovoCure. Obviously, we could have made a little more by going to the end, but not that much more. Biotech has really been strong the last couple days, and starting tomorrow, we're going to start trading Labu, the biotech bull. That's been a good stock for us, and it's just exploded the last couple days. So look for some action in biotech coming up. And then finally, the other trade I'll show you, this is also biotech. This is Adverum Biotechnologies, ADVM. And we bought this, looks like just about the beginning of with 2 hours to go. We got into this, it kept going there, didn't stop, and we're holding positive $2,200 in Adverum going into tomorrow, Monday. So that all looks good. So we didn't end June in a spectacular way, but at least we ended it positively, and I'm pretty happy about this. This is Trader Bob signing off, and I will be back here tomorrow on Monday trading and making videos as usual.